get done to his buttock, patients can actually get up to 8 areas treated at the same time. And what's great about this treatment is that it really focuses in on the muscles that you want to get treated. Unlike other treatments, other than Trusculpt Flex, other companies, it has electromagnetic energy that focuses on the muscle, which can actually lead to muscle damage and fatigue. This one is able to use multi-dimensional focusing on the energy, so it doesn't cause that. These electrodes are able to be placed manually in a certain pattern depending on the treatment level, which there are 3. There's prep, tone, and sculpt. Right now our patient is getting sculpt mode because he's done this a number of times and he is active. So this treatment allows for muscle tone to be really increased over time. And so with prep mode, it's more like a warm-up. With toning mode, that's more of like a regular workout, and sculpt is really like those heavy, high-intensity workout results. So these treatments can be done as often as 48 hours apart. So 2 times a week would be great. Then you can even do it weekly or monthly, depending on your lifestyle and what your goals are. This patient here is doing multiple body areas, but today we're focusing on the buttock. But again, you can do this on the thighs, you can do it on the abdomen, the obliques, pretty much most major muscles on the body. And like I said, you can treat up to 8 areas in a single treatment.
What do these different numbers mean?
Different numbers denote which node it is, the positive and negative. This allows us, when we're placing them, to put them appropriately. And there's 8 different nodes.
So why would someone be interested in getting this done?
This is going to be great for people who are, have a busier lifestyle, they're working from home and kind of just want to be stationary when they're working, or just to optimize the results they get from the gym. This is a great supplement to either an active or sedentary lifestyle to really get some muscle toning and definition in areas that, are just a little difficult to get at the gym. This allows you to get a 45-minute treatment and get probably a couple hours worth of exercise in the single treatment. The results really show, sometimes even after the first treatment, but again, there's 3 different levels, so depending on your lifestyle, we'll assess you and kind of see where you can start. But after a few treatments, you'll really see a difference. And again, it's a great supplement, even if you're already working out.
So we can see that, he's having a response physically. Is it pain or?
No, there's no pain associated with the treatment. There are just these muscle contractions that occur. Again, the machine is causing the muscles to contract themselves. Those fibers, as a result, through alternating in waves of energy, to really enlarge and to get a little bigger after each treatment. You'll be healing from the muscle contractions that allow the muscle to grow and to really get a little bit more definition. So in the buttock area, this is a very, very common area. As we age, the muscle towards the bottom kind of atrophies and kind of dies down. So this kind of awakens to give a more youthful and more muscular look. Again, we can set the level manually, so if you want more extreme results, you can come in more often, we can set it to a higher setting, or if you want a little bit just definition, we can also appropriate settings for that too.
Someone mentioned another brand, but I won't repeat it, and they want to know, why is this better again?
This is better than a lot of other brands because of the electric stimulation. This is not magnetic, this is electric. There is no return pad. This is allowing the energy to specifically reach the muscles in an alternating pattern so that there's no muscle fatigue. This allows for the patient to receive the treatment without the atrophy of the muscle. We're not damaging the muscle. And again, it happens in waves. The treatment is not 100% continuous, allows the muscle to relax. And now the treatment today has ended, but he can always come in about 48 hours and get another treatment if you'd like. But again, the technology is better because it really allows the muscle to naturally tighten, enlarge, without atrophy or damage.
And just for one last time, in terms of the downtime, you said he can come back again
in about 2 days.
And after the treatment, is there anything he should be conscious of? Should he make sure he stands for next?
You may feel a little sore just as you would if you did a heavy workout. That's totally normal. There's really no restrictions with the treatment. Now, you don't want to come in after a strenuous exercise in the area that you're going to target that specific day, just because if your muscles are already tired, putting this on top of that may just make your muscles a little tired and even more, and you may be a little bit more sore. But even then, we can customize the treatment every time you come in. You just let us know, we'll adjust the settings accordingly, and you can still get the supplement to your workout. So it's a great option for anyone of any body shape, size. It's really great. It's a good kickstart if you really want to get in that summer body. It's coming up, you guys. So just call us, get in, and we can get you in for a treatment.
And because it is electrical, is there anyone who should be conscious of this?
No, actually, as long as these nodes are connected over areas of muscle, you're definitely not restricted for anything. There's no patient that is restricted from doing this treatment.
Great, thank you so much.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys soon.